Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here with an update. January 31st, 2023, for our free and our VI paid membership done for you affiliate marketing system. Now, as I always do, let's get some housekeeping done here. For those who are watching this on the internet someplace, on YouTube, scroll down into the description of this video. There's going to be some links. A couple of those links are going to bring you to this Facebook group here. We call this the Hub. Plus, what I'm teaching, what I'm updating right now could possibly change. Chances are will change. So as I go through the updates, nothing is in stone. And chances are it's going to change. So keep that in mind. Also, if you're a VIP member, make sure that you do like this video because your referral link, your VIP referral link, will be in the rotator and placed in the description of this video. So you want to make sure that you give this video a like, share this video, and always keep an outlook on my new updates and my new training. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you know what's going on. With that said, let's get busy with the updates for January 31st, 2023. Now, this is one of my 600 plus Facebook groups I have out there that generates probably 2, 3, maybe 400 leads a day for me and for my VIP members. Remember, Marty and I do not keep the leads we generate from our advertising, our promotion, our marketing techniques. We give them away to our VIP members, our paid VIP members. Now, on this Facebook group, of course, if you're a free member, not a problem. You can still post your best money-making opportunities in here. Only one, though. You only get one of a specific money-making opportunities, but you can post as many opportunities as you want in here, as long as you follow the rules. So if you scroll down, you're going to see we have live training down here. Work my way down here. Live training's down here somewhere. Now, the training room is not open 24 hours a day. So what you can do is you can get into the chat, the general chat, which is right here. Now, this is new since my last update. We put that chat in here. We put some live training in here. And if you really want to get into the one-on-one personal live training, we'll open up the room for you on appointment only. And then we can walk you through. I can show you, show and tell. I can share my screen and show you how to do things. But that's just one of the hundreds of benefits that you receive especially as a VIP member, paid VIP member. Of course, free members can get in on the live training. But in the meantime, all you do is go over here, and if you have some questions, if you need some help, you get to general chat, and you can post your questions in general chat. Now, make sure you go through this training here. Very important you do that if you want to make a post in any of my Facebook groups. You have to do it the right way. Otherwise, I can't rank your post in a top Facebook search. And a lot of you don't slow down to learn how to do it the right way. So what I have to do is I have to remove your post. And I'll send you a notification in the messenger here. Let you know what I need to make your post ranked at the top of a Facebook search. Very important training right here. Now, here's my free one-on-one affiliate marketing training from me. I've been doing this. Marty and I have been doing this for a combination of about 25 years, or actually 50 years, 25 years each. So I've got it. Training 101, affiliate marketing training 101. And what's really neat about this training is at the end of the training, you're going to receive a free sales funnel when you complete my training. So you're going to scroll down. This may not be at the top. You might have to go find it, this post here. But you're going to scroll down and you're going to click here. Now, this is brand new. I put this together last week because everybody says, well, I want to learn how to do affiliate marketing. And so I take you step by step by step by step, what you have to do first, second, third, and fourth. And if you don't follow my steps, chances are you're going to be one of those losers I talk about, those 98% losers out there that never, ever make any money in affiliate marketing. So when you click on it, the spot's going to open up, and I'm going to be asking you for your first name down here. This is what you're going to receive at the end of the training. Of course, you're going to receive a free lead capture page autoresponder, email sales funnel, and of course, you're going to receive some free paid advertising here, and a free link tracker, a free report, 10 steps to affiliate profits, and a free done for you affiliate marketing ranking. That's what I'm talking about right now in this Facebook group, and of course, free live affiliate marketing coaching from me, and of course, my business partner, Marty Boston. So that's what's new. And when you do make a post here, of course, you only can make one post for one business offer. You can put as many business offers as you want in here. You can be a free member. You can be a VIP member. It's very important that you understand if you want to keep your post at the top, right up here. You make the post, and of course, other people are going to be making their posts. And see, Orlando comes down here. Orlando's really got this figured out. And he makes a comment every so often, maybe once a day, maybe a couple times a week, 2 or 3 times a week, to push this post up to the top. So if you find your post all the way down here, all right, this is what we're going to do. Now, what I do is when you do make your initial post is I get it ranked. I've got Jeffries Rogers ranked on a Facebook search under the keywords multiple income streams. So I have Jeff's post here ranked at the top. Multiple income streams is 9.2 thousand people talking about this. And I have his post ranked number 1. And like I say, I will do this as long as you make your post according to the training up here. Make sure you go through this training here. I will do this for free members. And of course, I do it for VIP members. So make sure you go through this training here. Yeah, I'm going to help Jeff out here. Made a comment here, my comment with this GIF here. Move your post to the top. Make sure you get in here and do the same thing every day to keep your post at the top of this Facebook group. So let's do it. And I'm going to refresh. And we're going to see that it moved to the top. Okay, we're at the top. And somebody comes and joins the Facebook group. Human nature says they'll scroll down until they see the first post, and they take a look at it. And here's Jeff's post that I moved to the top with my comment. So, gang, that's how you keep your posts at the top. Just get into all my Facebook groups that you have a post in and make a comment every day, and voila, you'll be up the top. Okay, we're going to move on to the done-for-you affiliate marketing system, the ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Amazon. Marty's been working really hard building this for the last, actually, 6 months. He's getting closer. So I'm going to give you an update on what he has got done so far. And for the VIP members, you probably better pay attention here because real soon, Marty's going to be in a position to have you guys, the VIP members, test it out for him. Free members don't get to test this out, only VIP members. Okay, we're in the back office. This happens to be my account. And of course, your account's going to look something like this. But you're going to see that we have the Warrior Plus and the ClickBank, some of the offers back here, ready to go. And of course, this happens to be my ID. And of course, you're going to have your ID here, but I'm going to show you how easy this is going to be. What you're going to do is you're going to get over here in this bar over here and you join the affiliate program. Now, remember, we're just testing this out. I've joined 2 of them, and I got my referral link for this one here, and this one here, the toolkit, and this one here. So what I did is I requested, all the instructions are here. All you have to do is get back in there. I'm not going to get into any detail right now how to do it, but here's the instructions. You copy and paste this when you get in contact with George there and say, hey, listen, I want to promote this product directly. And then in this case here, George said, okay, not a problem. And he opened it up so I could get my referral link for his opportunity here. I put it in here, my little code here, and voila, that's it. That's it. That's all you have to do. And all the ClickBank products, all the Warrior Plus products, and the JB Zoo and Amazon products are going to be just like this. That's how easy it's going to be. It automatically created this link down here. I didn't have to do anything other than just put in that referral link from George. Okay, that's it. And then when you go out there and promote the system, by the way, VIP members, when you do some testing, we're going to give you, of course, all the advertising, all the traffic, everything that you need. It's not going to cost you anything. We're going to give it to you so you can go out and test it, okay? So for those who are not VIP members, you might want to consider becoming a VIP member so you can get back here and help us test. And we have all kinds of different categories, health and wellness. I can go on and on and on. And I'm not going to spend too much time here. But this is what we're up to. And this is where Marty's at right now, January 31st, 2023. Okay, let's move on. Of course, this is fairly new. Some of you have seen this already, but this is the list of my Facebook groups that you can share your done for you Facebook group offers to all day long. There again, Facebook changes and updates what you can do on Facebook one day that you can't do the next day. So keep that in mind when I say all day long, okay? But you're going to be on, by the way, I'll put this link in the description of this video, where you can get down here, and I have 600 of them. I don't have all 600 of them here because I'm still building it out. These are all the Facebook groups that you can share. I suggest sharing, not posting fresh. You share from the hub. This is the hub. So when I talk about the hub, this is where you would share it from. So you make your initial post in here. Okay? And then from here, in fact, let's share one out here. I'm going to share, let's go down and find somebody down here. Let's share Orlando's. He made his initial post here. I'm going to come down here and share it to one of my 600 Facebook groups. Now, when you share, remember, you have to share the hashtag keywords. Otherwise, you're not going to get ranked on a Facebook search. So he's got his initial keywords in here. And that's the reason I say you need to go through the training to learn how to make the post the right way. If you don't put keywords in your post, it's not going to get ranked. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to share it to one of my Facebook groups. This is the right way to do it. And I'm going to pick one down here. Let's go here, co-founders. Okay, Control V, there's the keywords, and post. There you go. Let's take a look at it on this Facebook group here, and there it is. Now, when somebody's searching for photography, let's see what happens here. Well, here's one of Orlando's posts, and it showed up here. It's number 2. And there's 18,000 other, 18 million. 18 million, I don't know if you can see this down here. 18 million other people talking about that photography. And you can see most of the ones ranked at the top happen to be my members. Here's another one of Orlando's. This is Orlando's. Yeah, this is Orlando's. See, gang, if you stay active in here, come in here every day, make brand new posts of your other money-making opportunities. And a lot of you you're working 20, 30, 40, 50 different money-making opportunities. Just come in there and make a post. And then make sure you get back in there every day and make a comment to keep these posts up to the top on a Facebook search. These happen to be all of our members here, okay? Right down here, now this happens to be somebody else I don't know. It doesn't make any difference, but you get the idea. If you do it the right way, follow my instructions here, you'll always be on top. Look at this. Rachel went through my training, my affiliate marketing training. She followed the instructions. She made a post saying I've completed the training. I came back here and I said, hey, Rachel, I just made a post in your PM Facebook area with instructions on how to get your free sales funnel I promised you when you completed my affiliate marketing training. So, gang, make sure you go through my affiliate marketing training in order to get your free sales funnel. Okay, I could go on and on and on, but a lot of you have, it's just old news. I'm not going to bring up some of the other hundreds of benefits that the VIP members are receiving and using every day. But that's just the latest and greatest, the newest updates for the month of January. So with that said, Harvey the Silver Fox here, you know what to do. Until my next update training video, let's go make some money.